Small space, big dreams, captivating corner gardens you'll adore. In the realm of gardening, even the most modest spaces can bloom into breathtaking sanctuaries. Corner gardens, often overlooked, hold immense potential for beauty and creativity. With the right corner garden ideas, you can transform any small area into a lush oasis that reflects your personal style. Let's explore how to make the most of limited spaces with innovative designs and practical techniques that will inspire your urban gardening journey. Maximizing limited spaces with beautiful garden designs. When it comes to small space gardening, the key is to think strategically. A well-planned corner garden can serve as a stunning focal point, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. Consider incorporating tiered planters or raised beds that draw the eye upwards, effectively maximizing vertical space. This approach not only adds depth to your garden, but also creates a more dynamic visual experience. For those who appreciate refined aesthetics, utilizing color and texture can elevate your corner garden to new heights. Choose a palette that complements your home while selecting plants that vary in height and foliage. Combining vibrant flowers with lush greenery provides contrast and interest, making even the smallest garden feel expansive and inviting. Creative outdoor solutions. Container gardening. Container gardening is a fantastic avenue for those with limited space. By utilizing pots and planters, you can create a diverse arrangement of plants that thrive in confined areas. Opt for containers of various sizes and shapes to add layers to your corner garden. Moreover, consider using self-watering pots or vertical planters to ensure your plants receive adequate hydration while minimizing maintenance. Incorporating edible plants into your container garden can also be a delightful way to add utility to beauty. Herbs, cherry tomatoes, and salad greens grow wonderfully in pots, allowing you to enjoy fresh produce right from your corner garden. Vertical gardening tips for urban garden inspiration. For urban dwellers, vertical gardening presents an inventive solution to maximize space while adding a touch of green to concrete surroundings. Wall-mounted planters and trellises make it possible to grow climbing plants and flowers without sacrificing valuable ground space. Consider installing vertical planters filled with colorful trailing plants or herbs, creating a living wall that breathes life into your corner. Additionally, hanging baskets can add a dramatic flair to your corner garden. Position them at varying heights to create visual interest while providing the perfect home for cascading blooms. This approach not only saves space but also transforms your corner into an enchanting retreat. A lush sanctuary awaits. Corner gardens are a testament to the fact that size is no barrier to achieving beauty in the great outdoors. With thoughtful corner garden ideas, small space gardening can become a fulfilling endeavor that enhances your living environment. By embracing beautiful garden designs, container gardening, and vertical gardening tips, you can craft your own piece of paradise, even in the heart of the city. So go ahead, let your imagination run wild as you transform your corner into a lush sanctuary that you'll love for years to come.